Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable dual boot on Windows and Ubuntu. So we open our PC and we keep clicking F2 to enter the BIOS setting. After entering the BIOS setup, we just need to go to boot configuration, and then as you can see right here, I'm choosing the UEFI NVMe manager. Hit apply change, then OK, and then exit. After a few seconds, this window should appear and you can choose whether to boot on Ubuntu or Windows. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tips.